biscuit. No biscuit.
Wala na rin lollipop.
No biscuit. Hello.
Oh, sino yung
Ay, ito
nagbabalot pa?
dalawa yung biscuit niya.
Isa lang yung tatlo. Ito na lang. No?
Hey, you're stepping on the... Tomorrow... Wait, because I'm going in a hurry.
Bilangan mo na yan. So, ibilangan mo na yung mga na...
30 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cups.
Ha?
11. Flying time. Flying, flying. Flying. Fly, fly, fly. You can fly to the sky.
Parang tayo.
Saan mo nalagay kung anong color? There's no more.
Ganda dyan.
No
Number
more.
color? Okay. Can you put it all here, all the color? Inside that? Guy.
Mami, saan ko lalagay? Dito? Yung walang color? Oh.
Ilan na yan
Yan.
lahat? Can you count them all?
What?
Yung mga nalagyan na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No! No! Don't include this because there's no color here. Oh. So it's 11. 12. No, because there's no biscuit and color here. Oh, there is. Where? And there's no biscuit. Ma, wala tong biscuit.
Ayan.
Eden? Saan ko lalagay yung walang color? Papa, purin eh! Ma, saan ko lalagay yung walang color?
Diyan muna, ibigay ko sa ilan.
Tubig ng buhay, paglalakbay, patungo sa bagong buhay.
Ilan yan? Yung nasa ano? Ito, 11.
Did I put the other one? Just gonna go later.
May yellow yung tape ito. Gamitin mo sa mga tape.
Sa akin na lang to.
O sige.
You use the thing. Look, there's only some. Oh, we forgot this. We're gonna get some.
Pao. Yung mga luwan ng paint.
13. You know what to say? No. I'm not. I'm kidding. Ba't nalagay mo na? Is there even?
Malilito kasi ako eh. At least, yung kasi lahat eh.
Is there? Oh, you'll use all of the boy? Boy yan eh.
Ah, boy pa to?
Oo.
O Cinnamoroll na lang yung pink? O
Sige, madami kasi girls na gusto ng isin na marol eh. Sasabihin ko 1% chance makakuha ng pink. biscuit pati pink, no?
Ayan, yung mga biscuit ko lang.
Biscuit, please. Put the biscuit.
Wala yan. Lagay na ni Ate.